Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Bestever. So Bestever is an AI tool that is going to tell you exactly what ads is working and what ads are not. Other than that, it can also analyze the ad campaigns, various ad campaigns that you have, for example, on your Meta platform. It can also analyze those existing ads, and the best part is it can also tell you your top performing creatives, which means exactly which ads are producing the most clicks and giving you the best money. And last but definitely not least, Bestever also has AI that can generate various ads for you. It could be image ads, text ads, or even video ads, which is super impressive. And for generating ads, it has all the latest AI models, AI image models, as well as the video models. And Bestever is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The price is currently $39, but keep in mind it is going to increase after 6 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. And as you can see, it has already gotten some good reviews on Appsumo. So now let me show you all the plans and features of this tool. So as you can see, these are the tiers. So currently there are 5 tiers on Appsumo. The tier 1 is going to cost $39, tier 2 $149, tier 3 $299, tier 4 $499, and the highest tier is tier 5 with a price of $750. So as you can see, these are the limits: the image limit, the brand analyze limit, which means you can also analyze various brands, and then you can even analyze your competitors, as you can see. And then there are some features that are not available on tier 1, such as this max clip length, but it is available on all the other tiers, as you can see. And then there are also some other features such as the competitive analysis, LinkedIn post generation, static creative generation, static creative editing, data reports, creative reports, automated creative tagging, and so on. So if you want to buy Bestever on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how this tool Bestever is going to work. So once you log in, you have to provide some details. So Bestever can personalize the dashboard, personalize the overall settings for you. So let me provide some info, but I'm going to provide the info of Apple, the Apple company. So for example, I'm just using this company as the example for this video. Okay, so as you can see, here is the company name and the job title, the company size, monthly ad spend, the goals. So I'm just going to fill all these details, and then I have to provide the brand URL, which means my own brand URL. For example, this is my brand, so I'm just going to use this one, but I can also fill this manually, which means provide the information manually if I want, but I just want the AI to do that. So I have provided the URL. Now let's click on continue. Okay, so the AI is now going to come up with a summary. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, the AI has came up. The AI has scrapped all the information from the website. So here's the description, the logo, the image assets, the colors. So I'm just now going to click on continue. And here's the target personas, as you can see. Let's click on continue. So as you can see, now we are in the dashboard of Bestever. So here are some options where I can start creating various things such as video ads, image ads, research analyst. So I can also analyze various ads, as well as I can analyze my competitors. But I'm just going to start from this left section. So first of all, we have this create section. So if I go to this compositions, so here I can see all the compositions, probably all the videos or the image ads that I have made. So if I click on compose, so as you can see, now I can start creating, I can start generating various ads. So I can choose from here exactly what kind of ad I want to create. For example, it could be a LinkedIn image post, image ad. So let me try this image ad, and then I have to provide what this ad is about, the theme or the topic. I have to choose the target audience. I can provide style reference or featuring if I want. I can also skip these options if I want. And then also this on this knowing section, I can add insights from the performance reports to inform about the creative strategy. I can also select the aspect ratio. And if I want to give even more information, more context, I can click on this more plus icon. And as you can see, I can even add even more content. And on top, since I have selected this image ad, as you can see, I can now select the image model, AI image models. So first of all, we have this GPT image 1, which is from OpenAI. And then Imagen, which is the latest AI from Google. This particular one is the latest one, Imagen 4 Ultra. and also Flux Context, which is the latest image model from Black Forest Labs. So for example, I want to use this image gen 3, and now let me provide some information on here. Okay, so as you can see, I have provided the theme or the topic, and then I have to select the target audience. So the target audience was already created. The personas were already created by the AI since I have added the Apple website. So for example, for this particular ad campaign or this image ad, I want to have tech-savvy young professional personas as the target audience. So I'm just going to keep this one. I do not want to add anything else. Now let me generate. Let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, the image generations process have started. So let's see what we get. So as you can see, we have got some different types of ads, different types of images according to the theme or topic that we provided. And keep in mind, these images were created with Imagen 3. So this is not the latest AI image model. The latest one was GPT-Image1 from OpenAI and also the Imagen 4. But with the Imagen 3, we have got these images which are not bad. So I hope you have got the idea how this thing is going to work. Now let me try this video creative. Let me click on generate. So as you can see, we have selected video ad. Now I want to generate video concepts with the AI. Let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, we have got some various video ideas, concepts. So I'm just going to use this particular one, first one, UGC. So this is going to be UGC video about student budget tech. So I'm just going to select this, and the target audience is going to be this one. And once again, keep in mind the target audience are created with the AI automatically since I provided the website. And then I can also add the style reference, featuring, knowing, all these different details. I can even add the actors if I want. And I can also provide more context or information if I want on this particular box. And as for the aspect ratio, it is going to be portrait. As for the duration, let's select 5 seconds only. And now let's see what we get. So the video generation process has started, hopefully. Let's see what we get. So after using the concept, the AI is going to come up with the overall scene. As you can see, the scene overview. So the scene will contain the hook plus the offer and also the prompt, the exact prompt that has been used, as well as the assets. So this is probably the actor and also the product. So obviously I can manage all of these things. I can manage the assets, the prompt, the hook, the overview. And here is the scene preview, but I have to generate the scene for that. So let me see what we get from the scene. Okay, so the first scene has been generated. Now if I show you the preview, let me show you this.
Again, so I grabbed 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 MacBook deal, just $69 a month, projects fly. My laptop crashed again, so I grabbed 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 MacBook.
So as you can see, this is the UGC video, and it was the start of the video. If you remember, I only selected only 5 seconds as the duration, so that's why it is very short. But if we generate more scenes, we are going to get the whole picture, the whole actual ad.
My laptop crashed again, so I grabbed 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 MacBook deal, just $69 a month, projects fly. My laptop crashed again, so I grabbed 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀.
So as you can see, this was the video and it looks really good, especially the quality is amazing, I have to say that. And you can even see the product details, the Apple MacBook on here. And then here is also a coffee. It is probably in a library or something, and the actor looks very high quality. And if you remember, I used the assets. So these are the assets, the actor. So this was the product and this was the actor. So obviously I can change that. If I want, I can even add my own custom images from here, but keep in mind the images will have to be under 10 megabyte. So from here, I can choose the products as well as the actor from here, the asset section. I can also use the prompt, change the prompt if I want. So this is how I can use the video ads, generate the video ads with Bestever. And then other than the image and video ads, there are also some other options. Let me show you. I can also create a LinkedIn image post, LinkedIn text post. So let me try this text post. Okay, so I have selected the Apple brand as my brand, and as for the about, let me give something. So for example, it is going to be about 10% off on all iPhones. So, and it is going to be a LinkedIn text post. So let me select the target audience. For example, this time it is going to be creative professional seeking powerful tools. And then I'm just going to click on go. Let me see what kind of text post we get. So as you can see, we have got 4 different posts, LinkedIn text post, and I can even see a preview of each of the posts. So this one is number 1, and as you can see here is 10% off. And also let me show you another one. Here is another one. So as you can see, here is another post that is created for LinkedIn. So just like this, other than the image and the video ad, I can also create text post and even catalog ad with Bestever. And after this generation section, we have the brands. So brand is about your own brand, which means how many brands you have and the brands that you have added to Bestever. I only have one brand, but I could have multiple brands. I can create another brand by clicking on this new brand. So if I have multiple brands, I can create post, create video ads or image ads according to each of the brand. I just have to select the particular brand when I'm creating an ad. So on this section, you can manage all of your brands. And then there's this analyze section. So here you can analyze literally everything. First of all, we have this research analyst. So what research analyst does is analyze your existing ads or campaigns or creatives on platforms like Meta and LinkedIn. But obviously for that, you have to connect to this platform. So Bestever has native integrations for Meta as well as LinkedIn. So if you connect, for example, Meta, and if you have multiple ads on that platform, you can analyze all those ads in order to see which ad was giving you the most revenue, which ad was getting the most clicks, which ad was getting more comments, more reach or engagement. So all the analytics are going to be available once you connect a certain platform. All the analytics about those ads on the platform are going to be available with this. And then you are going to get all of their reports on here. But obviously, once again, you have to connect these platforms in order to see those reports. And then there is this inspiration section. So inspiration is going to be super helpful when you are running out of ad ideas. For example, you need some ideas, you have used a lot of ideas and you're not sure what more ideas to use. In that case, you can take various examples from various existing high performing ads. And then for that, all you have to do is just provide the industry of your business on here. And then you can get some inspirations. For example, my industry according to Apple is tech. So I'm just going to select tech. And now let me see some examples. As you can see, now we are getting some various ad inspirations about tech. So here are some examples as you can see. And if I like any example, I can even use that with my own information, with my own brand. For example, if I like, let me see the ads, maybe this one. So let me preview this. So as you can see, this is one ad. Now if I want to use it, I just have to click on this create a similar ad. Now see how amazing this is. The reference has been added. We have added the reference from this inspiration. Now we can create an image ad, LinkedIn post, text ad, video ad, or even LinkedIn image post ad, which is simply amazing. And the reference is set as the inspiration. So now I can provide all the information about the theme or the topic of the content that I want to create the ad for, and then the target audience. So after providing all these details, I can create an ad that is inspired by this existing ad. And then there's this competitor section. So on here, I can analyze my competitors. For example, my competitors is Samsung. So I'm just going to type Samsung, click on search. And as you can see, some profiles are going to be available on here. So once you type your competitor name, they're going to appear just like this. Now, if I open this Samsung Global, let me open this one. And as you can see, the competitor has been added on the competitive analysis. And now it is gathering the info on this particular brand or competitor. So as you can see, Bestever has gotten some info about the brand Samsung, about our competitor. So as you can see, here are some ad creative of them. And I can even open if I want. These are videos as well as images, or mostly videos, I think. So obviously these are all the different short form videos, images, or whatever ads they have run. And here is some more information about them. So I can see their target audience, how many people are warm and cold, the warm and cold analytics, the creative type. So they have mostly came up with videos, and then also campaign type. So I can also see their creatives on here. And then also here is a very good summary from the AI about our competitor. We can also select the date range for that. So as you can see, just like this, we have got various info about our competitor. So overall, I think Bestever is an excellent tool that lets you create and run various ad campaigns. As for ads, you can create image ads, video ads, LinkedIn image post, or even LinkedIn text ads. So that is amazing. And obviously everything is customizable. You can create everything according to your brand. Everything is going to be personalized according to the target persona, according to the theme of your brand, according to the logos, according to the colors. And also you can run analysis, which means you can see exactly what ad is performing well and what ad is not once you connect your Meta or LinkedIn platforms. So if you want to buy Bestever on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And as you can see, these are some of the tiers and these are the limits of each of the tier. And there is also tier 5 if you are interested in that. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.